accept, since I use portable, it's very lightweight. Okay, okay. Okay, we are going to open manipulate photo or photo manipulation. This tutorial introduces you to the Photoshop fork and show you how to open and save your image, zoom in and out, and even undo mistakes. Okay, let's begin for photo manipulation. So, I want to make this photo manipulate into this, like, open image and create new image. Okay, we can open image. We can click here, file, open, and look for that image. Okay, example this one. Or you can open the folder sample. You can open the folder and drag to the Photoshop. Okay, we're going to pick the photos. We are using tools. Uh, Pin tool. This is called pin tool. We can press the keyboard, pin tool, here pin tool. Or press pick, then select the image. So when you click, you use your mouse, then click, 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 click. That's what I can use. Click Control to press like this, guys. I am using pixelized picture. I think pin tool is very hard to use for beginners. I will teach you how to use soon pen tool one by one or step by step. Control Enter. Okay, press Control Enter. Then Control J or press down here. We are we are looking for background, beach background. I have a background here before. Okay, which background with rock. Okay, we can use this one. No, which is best? Okay, we can try this one. Save image. Oh, mm, show, this one also drag to Photoshop, or you can open the which choose which. I don't know where I put it in as pangit. And download control A, control A, as in copy all, then control tab, above background, control V. This is the background. So it is so small, so we need to distort it. Control T, then press Shift, Shift, then Shift and Alt, then press here with your mouse. Okay, let's enter. Then go back to the layer of your picture. Control T also. Shift, Alt, then distort the picture. I think it's not good idea. We need to put which sample mermaid. Need to find best background. It's more time. Okay, where are you now? Where are you now? Okay, we can use this one much better. Copy image. Same process, Control V. Oh, it's not the one. Looking for save image. Okay. Control O or open here. Open. Where is this? I used to be drag some photos. I did not use Control C, Control A, meaning select all. Control C, Control meaning copy. Then Control Tab. Then Control V, meaning paste. Then drag here by selecting Shift and Alt. Drag here. Must we seem a little bit much. So we need to background is light. Adjust adjust adjustment for picture control M. Then we can make it shadows. New layer here. New layer. Create new layer. Then brush. Here brush. Brush tool. This is so big. Right click. Press smaller brush. You can press smaller brush. Right click smaller brush 35. Then be sure the the foreground color set black. It's already black here. Then go to opacity. Adjust the opacity. Make it more like new layer again. Can have a shadow. Select that and shadow. Alt delete. This is black. Control T. Show this. Since the shadow can't be distorted. Brush. Erase brush. Erase tool brush. Erase some. Simple as that. Okay. Thank you for watching and hope you like. This is my first time with videos tutorials, so I don't know how to teach you well, but I am good in Photoshop. So I must study next time how to use a screen and webcam recorder. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.